Assalamualaikum.
Ni hao ma.
Terbalik.
Terbalik.
Ni hao.
Yippidi, 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 yippidi.
Waalaikum.
Welcome. Hello people, welcome back to our show for you guys. Our show that is
Climate TV.
betul tu?
Climate TV.
Climate TV. Okay. Breaking news people. Do you know our human activities from pollution to overpopulation are driving the earth temperature rising the earth temperature, and this fundamentally change the earth world around us. This is what we call climate change. Aduh, sabut tapi saya teruskan. The main cause of this phenomenon is called greenhouse effect. The gases from greenhouse effect is like, listen greenhouse effect is like water vapor, CO2, nitrous oxide, methane and CFC. What these gases do? What these gases do?
Never mind. I'll Google now.
Okay, good job. They let the sunlight in and trap some of the heat in the ozone layer. What will this do to our Earth? It will increase our global temperature rapidly, and this will cause the change in our temperature, and thus climate change occur.
Yes.
I think we need to contact our reporter Amin to show our audience the case study of our report.
Yeah, I think so.
So, could you call Amin for me?
Amin?
Hello, Amin.
Macam salah call dia.
There's a girl voice.
Sorry.
Yes, sorry, auntie, wrong line. Hello,
Amin? Can you hear me, Amin?
Hello.
That's the right one.
That's the right one. We bring you Amin.
Yep. Stay tuned.
Amin. I'm Amin from the reporting you from the case scene. So what I want to say is thank you for the Mr. Aslam and Mr. Po earlier.
Tak payah keluar. Kuantan.
Sorry for the interruption.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Okay, so based on our survey, 74.5% of the respondents are aware of the changing of the weather pattern. And then, what I can say is we can conclude that the climate change become more notable day by day, centuries by centuries, years by years, decade by decade, and all of that. And so, from what we can expect is the worst case scenario are coming for us, which is the global rise temperature. Based on the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change (IPCC), they have said that they're confident that over the centuries, 2.5 degrees Fahrenheit to how many? To 10 degrees Fahrenheit will rise the temperature. So we can conclude that this is because of the greenhouse effect due to human activities. So we hope you will take the action to make sure that we can lawan lah. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.
Welcome back, guys, and thank you for still having us. Before you want to say something more?
Never. You say it.
Okay. Before we continue all the excitement and the information, let me take a break first and watch this awesome advertisement.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Welcome back. Thank you, Amin, for your information. I believe that's an interesting fact. Wait, now let us pass to our second. Okay, sorry for interrupting.
Okay, what's next, Paul?
Let us pass to our second reporter, Daniel.
Daniel, hurry up lah.
Daniel.
Assalamualaikum, I'm Daniel from the Climate TV. Thanks Haslam and Po from the studio. Okay, from the survey that we do, most of the respondents here about the climate change from the internet. This is because there are a lot of information about.
Nak pergi tempatnya sana?
Nanti saya beritahu.
Tapi oh, TV ya?
TV.
Hai.
Abang, bawa dia balik apa? Sorry, ada gangguan sebentar tadi. Okay, teruskan. Most of the respondents heard about the climate change from the internet. This is because there are a lot of information about the climate change from the internet. Besides that, most of them heard about climate change from the television. Next, from the survey that we do, there are a lot ways to tackle the climate change that occur, such as save nature, recycle habits, keep doing good to environment, the awareness of people, stop overburning, law enforcement, 3R, and many more.
NANI?!
So here is the statistic of the respondent. Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much, Daniel. So, from what we can hear is that climate change is a long-term shift of weather change across the world, which is happening now. There are many factors affecting the climate change. First of all, is the age, source of income, as well as the education level. Understand?
Yeah, I understand. It's really true.
So from what I can see is that the awareness must be there in order to overcome climate change and reduce climate change. I believe that's it for today, right? So thank you for being with us and see you again next time in apa? Climate TV. 1, 2. Do your part. Save the world. Thank you everyone.
Our planet is slowly dying. Our people are slowly fading. The rich tell us that it's a lie, but science proves us that it's happening. There's no denying climate change is real. The weather patterns are more extreme. The sea levels are rising fast, but yet the change is slow. I want to try to inspire another human to push for a change, to push forward. We can make it happen now. We are the people. We need to come together. We need to stop dividing each other and focus on our home. Change happens when we come together. We have the power. We have the power. We need to raise our voice. Every time that we've come together for a change, we made it happen. We must not waste another day without at least trying to give our next generation a better chance. We must decide. to make this planet a better place to grow and to raise our children. Now, what do you decide? Do you decide to take our future, the next generation's future, in your hands? Or do you leave it in the hands of our current, unproductive leaders? We need to act now. There's only one race on Earth. Humans. This is us.